Go to Music. Select a piece of music and click on it to enter the playback interface. Press M. Choose Play Mode. Use left-right key to choose Repeat Settings. Choose Repeat Interval. Repeat Interval. Set the repeat interval from A to B to 10 seconds. Example, setting interval are seconds. Choose Repeat Times. Repeat Times. Set repeat times from A to B to 10 times. Example, setting repeat R times. Choose Repeat Mode. Repeat mode A B repeat. In A B repeat mode, when you enter the mode, point A will blink. Press right key indicating the starting point is set. Point B will blink after some time, and when you reach the desired time, press right key again indicating the ending point is set. Interval are seconds. Repeat first playback from 1点到1点07分. Interval are seconds. Repeat the second playback from 1点07分. After repeating the playback R times, it will return to normal playback, or you can continue to repeat settings.